Hi guys, Mr. New Mobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Galaxy S24 leaks along with rumors specific to the Ultra model. Here's what we've heard so far about the Galaxy S24 Ultra, along with what we hope to see from Samsung's premium handset. Galaxy S23 feature that never appeared in this year's phones was satellite. Connectivity expects that to change with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which would allow that phone to match an iPhone 14 feature that allows people to send emergency messages even without cellular connectivity. It's unclear if that would be an ultra-specific feature or whether Samsung would follow Apple's lead and make satellite connectivity a capability for all of its flagship models. Given how thin Galaxy S24 Ultra rumors are at this point, that leaves an awful lot of room for us to fill in the blanks with features we hope to see. After all, as capable a phone as the Galaxy S23 Ultra may be, there are still some areas that Samsung could stand to improve new S Pen capabilities. Samsung added S Pen support with the release of the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and by the time the S22 Ultra arrived, it figured out how to include storage for the stylus within the phone's design. S Pen improvements with the Galaxy S23 Ultra were non-existent though, as Samsung focused on other areas. We hope the Galaxy S24 Ultra lavishes more attention on the S Pen, adding support for new capabilities. These could include new S Pen Air actions or possibly remote control over additional Galaxy S23 Ultra functions. Faster charging. The Galaxy S23 Ultra remained stuck on 45W charging, even as other Android phones, most notably. Devices like the OnePlus 11 let you top off your phone much faster. We'd like to see charging speeds more befitting of a phone with an Ultra name. No price change. We're hoping that whatever changes Samsung introduces to the Galaxy S24 Ultra aren't accompanied by a change in price. That goes for our friends in other parts of the world who did wind up paying more for the Galaxy S23 Ultra as Samsung adjusted for currency fluctuations. While Ultra models boast more than their fair share of premium capabilities, $1,199 remains a steep price for a smartphone. Samsung would do well to remember that even the best phones can't cost so much that they're out of reach for most shoppers. With that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. One Piece.